Hi everybody, it's Gary from Designer Walls again. I want to talk to you about brick panels. We get a lot of questions asked about our brick panels, and that's been, for me, it's all about the detail. Here we've got the new Manchester brick, and it's interesting that, you know, if you look at the detail, it's quite easy to see why we call it new Manchester brick. First and foremost, we got these bricks from a building site in Stretford, and we created English bond, which is headers, stretchers, headers. Best thing about this brick is the size. It's clumsy size, but the size is fantastic. It's 3.3 metres long, which is around about the 11 foot, and 1.3 metres high, just over 4 foot. So the installation is really, really quick, and there is a bit of give in this too. It will bend ever so slightly. What we do like about it is the detail and the toughness. It's tough as boots. It's made from resins with natural materials and backed with fiberglass. So again, it is quite tough. And what we want to really tell you is we've got this library of these panels and colours up in Bolton. We don't have many samples. It's very difficult to send them out as we don't get them back. We can loan them at a cost if we need to. It's really what you guys want to do. But from a brickwork perspective, and this also internal and external, from that perspective, these are probably the best panel on the market. I dare you to probably define where the joints are, but I'll point out anyway, if I can see them myself. I think one is there, one is up there, and then there is a vertical one there. Other good thing about these panels is they are pretty indestructible, so you can drop them, bend them, crack them, anything you want to do with them. Brickwork always looks good, you know, when it's not perfect, and with the touch-up paints that we give you, it's very difficult to actually see where the joints are. Okay, we're now in the bit where we have our samples. The big panel I was showing you earlier is the new Manchester 310. There's quite a lot of colours and variants, so it's very difficult to remember the numbers sometimes. But here we go. Let's have a little look at this. New Manchester, original Manchester, and Heritage. Heritage whitewashed, New Manchester whitewashed. So you can see with the colours, you know, it really changes. They're all the same size. Heritage just in black. What I like about the new ranges though is the colours. We've really gone to town to match up, say, you know, colours from London, from Birmingham, the Midlands, anything. You know, we've got black in the new Manchester. You know, it resembles, you know, railways, etc. Sandy colours in new Manchester. We've also got the loft. We call it loft because it resembles the inside of loft areas where it's just been like back pointed. We've got red, golds, black, and there's not much depth on those, as you can see. It looks like it's been back pointed. Stones, we've got stacked stones, and these are all the same format size, 3.3 metres by 1.3 metres, exactly the same format, indestructible almost. You know, we've got like a Lakeland stone there, which is in like a black, which is on this wall here at the side. Simply, screw it to the wall. So it just needs to be something feasible, strong, that you can screw these things to. They're quite tough, you know. With the resin, we also give you a colour match. So any particular part of where you have to screw through, you can touch it up. Again, because stone naturally, bricks naturally aren't perfect, a little bit of touch up, you will never ever notice. Okay, hope you like them. Anything you want to ask me, please send an email and we'll be happy to give you more information. Thank you.